Try a gentle one this time.
1, 2,
3, go! Thanks.
do your part.
I do.
And just wait there till Mom says she's ready.
Sister is laughing too. She likes that.
Hey, Betsy.
She's mine.
Yeah, she is. She likes that a lot. She's kicking for you too.
Where are you all be?
All better.
Do you want to come give Betsy a hug? Whoa.
Got a big smile. She likes that, buddy. Do one for Mom and then do one for Betsy.
Oh, here he comes. Kick, kick, kick. Good job, Peanut.
She likes that a lot.